Hi there everyone. Today we are here again to see the Canva feature. Canva gives us many things. Today we are going to learn about the presentation site in Canva. It's a boom thing. So you can see the interface. For coming to Canva, you can just select the presentation to create now. Automatically it will set up its own ratio and other things. So you can see the page here and you can see the designs and templates over here. For university projects, for official work, you can easily use this kind of stuff. Like I'm going to use this. Excellent thing. Fully eye-catching. Great. So like you can change the name. You can change your own name. And after that, you can add the page up here. If you like the whole thing, you can wholly check the pages and apply for all. Amazing, amazing. I think it will be a helpful video for all. Thank you so much.